Getting dumped on right now. So sore in so many different places.
Hi everyone, it is day 2 and we are about to head out. We're gonna see how we feel today to decide how far we go. We're gonna go hit the road, try to get as many miles as we can before it gets really hot in this. Like yesterday, it got really hot around 3. So we're gonna try to get as many miles in before then as possible. Oh, sore. Yeah, my butt bones are sore.
My butt is so sore right now. It's so painful.
So apparently we got a quarter of a mile off track. Another lunch of champions here.
We're excited.
Oh yeah. Not gonna lie, the sun sucks the life out of you completely.
I think we've only gone about half of the miles that we're supposed to go today. It has just been brutal. We're sore. We got some chafing. It's been a lot of uphill and just blazing hot. I think today's going to be a shorter day. I don't know if you can hear it in the background right now, but the dark clouds up there. It seems like we're kind of running away from an incoming storm. It's north of us and we're heading south. Clear sky is pretty much straight ahead, but we just have to outrun it or we're gonna get poured on. We missed it. I'm happy about that. But it was nice because it just kind of cooled us off a little bit when it was drizzling. Oh, I'm sore. So sore in so many different places. Liz and I were just talking about how every once in a while we like to push ourselves to our limits, you know, get outside of our comfort zone and do something that we haven't done before. You know, for us both, it's like there's almost nothing worse than like being in a state of, you know, being stagnant and not progressing and not improving. And so I think that's one of the reasons we do these, you know, adventures. We want to push ourselves to our limits. We want to, you know, really see what we can take, what we can do. And obviously that's why we're trying to bike 1,000 miles without, you know, too much prep and training and experience. Oh my goodness, this is awful.
So Alex, you want to explain what's going on? It's way too cold.
We're getting dumped on right now.
It's calming down a little bit, but our tent inside is completely soaked because we had to put this on.
I mean, do we have anything we can dry it with? I suppose we could use some TP. Oh my goodness, today was a pretty crappy day. We just like really sore and chafed from yesterday. I think we only ended up going like 50 something miles, just over 50. As soon as we got to this site, this campground, it started to just pour. And we tried to set up the tent. The tent was totally soaked on the inside from the dew this morning, and then it just got even wetter as we were trying to set it up. There were just so many problems, and it just kept pouring, and then the mosquitoes were still out. It was just really, really miserable. I really hope we don't have too many more days like this, because I don't want to do this again.
The most important ingredient. Here, baby.
Thank you, Lizzie Clark. Oh, that looks good.
He's not wearing it for COVID.
No?
Neither am I. Mosquitoes.
If I didn't hate mosquitoes enough already, I mean, they're so bad here in Montana. I can't believe how bad they are here.
How are you feeling about day 3, honey?
Oh, I just want to get away from these mosquitoes. They're so bad.
All right, we're starting day 3.
We heard that days 1 through 5 are supposed to get progressively worse. And then after day 5, things start to improve. You just, with all the pedaling, you end up with so much chafing on your butt down that area. Hurts. And then my quads are just killing right now. So sore. This is just flat, terrain. We got to gain about 2,800 feet first thing. It's going to be rough. Okay, there's a bear. There's a bear. Where'd he go? He ran over in this forest right here. Where did he go? Bear. Dang. Oh, I gotta get better at getting this thing ready. He just ran right across the road in front of us. Oh, third bear this trip. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, what the heck? This is so steep. Oh, let's hope this doesn't go on too long. Ready to get off our bikes. We're going up this crazy steep single track, overgrown single track. Oh, and carrying a heavy bike, it is tough, I'll tell you what. Oh.
So we've been having to dig very deep on this hill. It's brutal in this heat.
Oh, it's so hard.
Yeah. We have to get an earlier start. This is brutal. Repairing on the go. Oh, butterflies by you.
This is exhausting.
All right, so we are pretty sure we reached the top of Richmond Peak. This was so brutal. Like, I kept having Alex tell me every percentage of the way up. But now we should have 13 miles, mostly downhill, which is pretty awesome. I was telling Alex earlier, it's funny how it's different hiking and backpacking. I always like hate going downhill, but biking, it's like what you look forward to. So yay for that.
So apparently we were wrong. We're still gaining some altitude. Oh my goodness, whoa. Okay, there's this crazy ledge here. Liz wants me to get off and walk here. And take a look at this view here. So beautiful. There's still a lot of snow on the trail. Oh my goodness. How are we gonna get our bikes over this thing? I don't know if I can lift mine up that. It's so heavy. Okay, here, I'll put my bike down and we'll lift. Okay. Wow. I thought the trail was supposed to be clear.
You need my help?
So we were hoping for just a nice and easy, smooth 13-mile descent down, I think 2,400 feet. But it turns out we're on like this super rocky, like single track. It is just a lot rougher than we expected. Oh, big one. Woo! All right, so we had about 3 miles of this like really rough, like kind of red dirt single track back there. And man, we thought we were gonna have an easy descent, but it was like pretty hard because there's like big loose rocks everywhere and big bumps, like little dips like that, and
a cliff edge.
Yeah, like it was like pretty thin at points. So I mean, it was a little rough, but we're past that now, and now we have this in front of us. It'll be nice to go down this for the remaining 10 miles or so.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4! Well, I've been rolling into the clock in Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm about to blow. Breeze walking through the honky tonk like a pack of wolves.
Leaving our stuff to dry. So siesta has become a tradition apparently now. You like the tradition, honey?
Yeah. Wow. I look tired.
But we're drying out our stuff too. Necessary after last night's storms.
Yeah, everything was drenched.
Completely.
Everything was so wet.
Our nice, tranquil campground for the night. It's intended for horses, but we're doing it. So what was the stats for today, honey?
I think it was about 4,100 feet of elevation gain and 53 miles or something like that. Weather sucks.
Yeah. Oh! Yikes. Ow. Oh, I just hit my chin really hard.
I don't know. Let me see. Oh my goodness. What the heck was that? There you can see the clouds, the dark. Oh, whoops.
The mosquitoes are out and biting me right now.